Welcome to Explore Mode, the SoundGene network. This system lets you browse a massive catalog of instrumentals as a network of connections. SoundGene uses proprietary algorithms to analyze similarities between beats, creating an intelligent map of musical relationships. In the text box below, type what kind of beat or vibe you're looking for. You can use natural language, tags, artist names, anything that comes to mind, and move forward by pressing enter or clicking the arrow on the right side of the text box. The sphere above the text box indicates the optimal length of your query. In future versions, it will also provide real-time feedback on expected results and suggest directions for your search. Now the system has generated 3 beats that may match your query. Hover over a beat to preview it. Let's pick one. This will be the starting point of our Explore network. Double-click it. Now we're in the session view. In the center, you can see the beat we selected earlier. Right-click on the node, your main beat. On Mac, use Control+click. We've just created the first branch in our session. 3 new beats have appeared, inheriting characteristics from the previous one. Let's listen to them by left-clicking on any of them. On the right side, you'll find the dashboard panel. At the top, you can see your subscription plan, session limits, reset date, and number of branches. Quality Index measures the quality of your session. The algorithm evaluates how consistent your exploration is based on similarities between beats in the network. High score. Your branches stay within a consistent musical style, giving you better access to more unique productions. Low score. You're entering a highly niche space. The chances of finding more standout beats decrease, which may result in less consistent branches. Session status shows the number of matches, branches, discovered beats, and algorithm calculations. Save sessions. Here you'll find all your saved sessions. You can quickly switch between them by clicking on the thumbnail. The health section provides a more detailed breakdown of the quality index. At the bottom, you'll find the audio player, where you can control playback volume. You can also add a beat to your matches collection by clicking the plus icon or by double-clicking a node. The panel on the left shows the list of beats in your session and their status. All, matches, or owned. These stats are synced with your entire collection, including other discovery modes like swipe. In the same panel, left-click a beat to play it and move the camera to it. Hold the scroll wheel, middle mouse button, to move around the canvas. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. It's up to you which direction you take your network. Let's create more branches from the beat Vogue. You can drag any beat in the network to reposition it for better readability. At the top, there's a mini navigation panel. The home icon takes you back to the session creation screen. The pencil icon lets you edit the session name, and the trash icon deletes the session. Let's rename the session. Press enter to confirm. Now let's go to save sessions on the right and load a session called Hibiscus, which I created a few days ago in a plug, melodic, and cloud rap style. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for staying with me until the end. Let's click the home icon to exit the session.